On a day after the 7-phase polls ended in Uttar Pradesh, the covers have gone off the statues of Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Mayawati and her elephants, the BSP party symbol. That comes almost 2 months after they went under wraps. Ahead of the elections in the state, the Election Commission had ordered the statues of the BSP leader and the elephants to be covered as they violated the Model Code of Conduct. Political parties had complained to the Election Commission that the BSP had an unfair advantage to the ruling party. In a late-night decision, the Election Commission asked the state government to uncover the statues. 9 statues of Mayawati and 156 statues of elephants in Lucknow and 2 statues of the Chief Minister and 52 of the BSP symbol in Noida were unveiled.
The covers have finally come off Mayawati's statues and the statues of the gigantic elephants in the memorials in Lucknow and in Noida. These statues have been gathering dust for a while, which is why you see these people trying to clean up these statues. They are a dedicated force that are here present at these memorials to ensure the upkeep of these larger-than-life statues of Mayawati and her party's symbol, the elephant. Officials of the Lucknow Development Authority are also here to ensure that these covers come off as soon as possible. The decision to take them off was taken last night after the Election Commission lifted the Model Code of Conduct, and perhaps Mayawati has reason to believe that this entire cover-up exercise has caused some amount of perhaps a consolidation for her as far as her Dalit vote is concerned, because time and again in press conference after press conference and rally after rally, she has reiterated that this was an extremely biased decision by the Election Commission. However, the BSP respected the decision but said that it led to some kind of a consolidation of those people who she claims to have built these larger-than-life statues for. So it remains to be seen whether that actually happened or not, whether it actually benefited Mayawati, or whether this is something that the EC had to do to ensure a level playing field. With camera person Rajesh Gupta in Lucknow, Anand Zanane for NDTV.
The NDTV News app had redefined the entire genre. Now another market beater. It's already hit #1.
NDTV Profit, India's #1 finance app. Download free at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Live stream of NDTV Profit, market news and your easy-to-manage portfolio. Download now, ndtvprofit.com/apps.